What's going on, everybody? Here with Sadie, my little niece. I'm watching her for a little bit until her mom gets off of work. Got a pretty exciting video today for you guys. What are we doing today, Sadie?
We're feeding the snake.
What's the snake's name?
Maui.
Maui. So I got a snake. His name is Maui. You're going to see him in a little bit. He's a banana ball python. Today is Tuesday, which is his feeding day. So me and Sadie are going to feed him today. It's going to be a pretty wild video. I already have the GoPro set up in my room. It's chilling on the tank so we can get a cool video of that. You're going to see him swallow it and everything. We got the dead mouse here. We are feeding him frozen adult mice, which he's not the biggest, but he is said to be big enough. He's about 21 inches long, so pretty close to 1 year old, I would say. We got him about 2 weeks ago, and we're gonna feed him today. It's gonna be pretty crazy. So the reason we have this mouse in the water is because he was frozen, and you're not supposed to feed them when they're too cold. So you have to put them in some warm water, make sure they're nice and thawed out, semi-warm. They just have to be warm enough so that he likes them. What are you doing? What are you doing down there? So we're gonna go feed this little mouse to Maui. So now we got everything all set up. Just gonna head into my room. I'm gonna get the GoPro running. Sadie and I just got in my room. We're getting everything all set up. We got the GoPro on the suction cup mount. Maui's underneath his hide. He's hanging out in there, just chilling. He's a little scared right now because we woke him up. He usually sleeps during the day because they're nocturnal and runs around at night. But we got the GoPro mount all set up so you can watch the action. And we're gonna go ahead and feed him. Well, that's going to do it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe if you're not already. I'm out. Peace.
Yeah, I say Batman all the way up.